Salesforce is used by over 150,000 businesses around the world of all sizes and industries, and more businesses are adopting it. But have you wondered why such big companies are choosing Salesforce and what makes it different from other CRMs? Let's discover the same in this video. Salesforce solves the problem of managing customer relationships. It also helps companies to track their interactions with customers, automate their business processes, and also to get a 360-degree view of their customers. And there are a number of reasons why companies prefer to use Salesforce rather than other CRMs. They use it because, firstly, they improve their sales process. Salesforce helps companies to track their leads, manage their pipelines, and also to close more deals. Secondly, they want to improve their customer service. Salesforce helps companies to track customer interactions, resolve customer issues quickly, and provide a better customer experience. Third, to automate their business processes. Salesforce helps companies to automate a wide variety of business processes such as lead nurturing, opportunity management, and customer support. Fourth, to get a 360-degree view of their customers. Salesforce gives companies a single view of their customers, including their contact information, purchase history, and support interactions. But still, there are many CRMs that offer similar solutions. Why is Salesforce so special compared to other CRMs? Salesforce is special because it offers different cloud solutions that cater to various business needs. Like, Sales Cloud is for sales team to manage customer relationships and close deals. Service Cloud is for customer services team to manage inquiries and support cases. Marketing Cloud is for marketing team. Even if a business plans to use different Salesforce products, they do not have to worry about the security of business processes running between the different departments and group of people. Why? Because Salesforce offers a very strong security and sharing model where you can grant, revoke any set of permissions to anyone. Another reason why Salesforce is so special because it is a cloud-based CRM. This means that it is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, and it is easy to scale up or scale down as your business needs change. Salesforce is also highly customizable, so you can tailor it to meet the specific needs of your business. Now, let's talk about its future. So, what we can see from the stats is that the future of Salesforce is very bright. Salesforce is constantly innovating and adding new features and functionalities. It is also expanding its reach into new industries and markets, and therefore it is very hard for other CRMs to beat Salesforce. So, if you're planning to enter into this amazing ecosystem, then this is absolutely the best time. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching.